Latonia Fils-Aime here again with Fils-Aime and Associates, powered by Compass Real Estate, here to tell you about another one of my beautiful listings in the Marion Park community in Powder Springs, Georgia, in Cobb County. Beautiful home in a cul-de-sac, private, large, leveled backyard, oversized deck. This home is almost 6,000 square feet, offered at only $749,000, and we sold it already. So excited about this one. I have another one in the community that's very similar right now that is active. So you missed out on this one, don't miss out on the next one. Contact me for more details.